Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to look at how you can make Microsoft Excel speak cells to read for you the information that is contained in the cells that you in your Microsoft workbook or worksheet. So for us to start, I'm going to use this type of information that I have, so to make the speak cells to read those information that are contained in each and every cell. So for you to start, you need to go to home and look if you have the speak cells. If you do have, you need to add, and you go to file. Here you go to option, you go to add-ins, and then you're going to add. So for you to make the speak cells to speak, you need to select where you want the speak cells to read. You can select the entire table, and then you click
Employee ID,
the speak cell.
employee name, gender, department, job title, county, salary, performance score, EMP001, Brian Oceano, male, finance, accountant, Kai-Su Mu, 85,000, 82, EMP002, Maria Chiang,
And then
female,
so you can select the whole table and make it to read all the information that are contained in each and every cell. But in case I just don't want it to read the whole table, I just want it to read the names. I select the column of the names, and then I click
employee name, Brian Oceano, Maria Chiang, Kevin Wanjai, Susan Spett, David Uma, Faith Wanjiku, Peter Onyango.
So we can also look at job titles. I think it's not reading the names very well because they are in local language. So let's see the job title if it is going to make do a very good job for us.
Job title, Accountant, HR Officer, Data Analyst, M&D Officer, Procurement Officer, Finance Officer, Operations Officer, M&D Assistant, IT Support Officer, HR Assistant, Finance Assistant, Procurement Assistant, Field Officer, Data Officer, Systems Analyst.
So that's how you can make it to read. Maybe you are tired. Sometimes handling a lot of big data sets, it's tiring. And sometimes maybe you are looking for a certain information, and then you don't want to go through, or you don't want to use any formula in Microsoft Excel. You can just make the speak cells to do the work for you. Let's look at, maybe I want it to read the salaries. So I'm going to select the salaries, and then I click the speak cells.
Salary, 85,000, 78,000, 95,000, 92,000, 81,000, 88,000, 76,000, 68,000, 72,000, 65,000, 62,000, 70,000, 59,000, 83,000,
Thank you so much for watching this
97,000.
video.